Hey, welcome to class. I'll be teaching you something interesting that's run-on sentences. Let's run along and find out what we understand by run-on sentences. A run-on sentence is a group of words with two or more complete thoughts and incorrect punctuation. That means a run-on sentence contains two or more other sentences, and these sentences ought to be separated by using the right punctuation mark. Okay, you ought to separate these sentences and not put them together. You know that a sentence should express a complete thought, it should express a complete idea, and a sentence should end with a full stop. But a run on sentence is two or more complete sentences running together as one. There is no separation. Two or more sentences running together as one is a run on sentence. I'm going to give you an example. The book was very interesting. The main character died in the last scene. This is a run on sentence. There is no separation. But I want to write it another way. I want to read it the correct way. The book was very interesting. The main character died in the last scene. The second one is a complete sentence. Unlike the first, we just have two sentences together. Okay, so the complete sentence and the run on sentence ought to be separated and not together. So a run-on sentence is two complete sentences written as one. Another example. My brother graduated from college this month. He will enter med school soon. Now this sentence is just running on its own, running its course, but it ought to be separated. So I want you to tell me, how can I rewrite this? Think about it. My brother graduated from college this month. He will enter med school soon. Now, how many sentences do we have now? We have two sentences. What did we do? We used the full stop to separate both sentences. So I'm going to tell you how to fix run-on sentences. Sometimes you will see the conjunction and. What you have to do is to remove the and, replace it with a full stop or any other punctuation you can use to separate it. Then start your sentence, and your sentence should be capitalized, as the first word in the new sentence should be capitalized. Here are more examples. Peter and Paul are good kids and they have excellent grades. That's a run-on. Peter and Paul are good kids. Sentence 1, they have excellent grades. Sentence 2. So run-on sentence has two or more sentences together, not separated, while you have a duty of separating the run-on sentence. It's really easy, really easy, easy peasy. So you have some of these exercises in your Language Smart textbook. All you're expected to do is to be able to separate them by using the right punctuation mark. Use the correct punctuation mark to separate them. You can use a full stop or you can use a semicolon. So use whatever punctuation mark works for you. Here is another example. She was the best actress at the event. She received the award. No separation, no pause, no nothing. But I want to say it the right way. She was the best actress at the event. She received the award. You see, I was able to separate them by using my punctuation, which is the period or the full stop. So let's take the last example for today, and I want you to do this with me. Jane was pregnant last week. She gave birth to a baby girl last night. Jane was pregnant last week. She gave birth to a baby girl last night. Okay, so it's really easy. Your assignment is on 161 to 163. Do it to attempt it all. Thank you for giving me your time. I love you. Stay safe, stay indoors, and be good to your parents. Bye-bye.